Hi, today in front of me Oppo A57s, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our phone and open the Muviz Edge application. Then here let's select one from the available themes, tap to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of this theme, you can make it here. Just select the backgrounds which you would like. We can change here music controls, show time, to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to show or turn off the calendar, the daytime, and the battery status always while device charging, or just to don't show it on the AOD screen. Let's tap to X icon, switch AOD to the settings, click to always on display, and now here we can just change shown unlock screen time always while charging. When we'll play the music, we can use these options separately. We can switch screen time out from 1 minute to never, to decrease or increase the brightness level, and to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. Also, if you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can also click on the switcher to use it, and on screen off. To turn on the shadow, to set the shadows, the start and the end time, we should also use the switcher. And if you want to disable it during the calls, you can also make it. So just let's lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully customized our AOD theme. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.